So basically we have seen that how very easily we can find a particular any other pattern, I mean a different pattern with the same type by this one. So now let's move on a little bit and then I will show you that how we can proceed. Suppose I have another pattern and which is totally different from the other two. That is, now suppose I have drawn a pattern something like this. I have a stars, and now the second in the second line the stars will be in this way. In the third line, the stars will be in this way. So, if I ask you to write this program, definitely what you have to do, you have to first, I mean, at least according to my approach, that I can say that I will place a matrix form for the stars, and then something like this: row number 1, row number 2, row number 3, row number 4, column number 1, column number 2, column number 3, column number 4. Now question is that what is the difference with the other pattern? Basic difference is what with this one and this one. You see, if you look on this particular pattern over here, you see here also have some blank spaces. But we didn't care about the blank space in this program. Why? Because I have written the program in such a way that after, say, in the second row, after printing these three stars, the loop will break and the cursor will come in the next line. So automatically this blank will be created, right? But this is not automatically possible for this pattern. Why? The reason is that in the first row, when you are printing the star, you are not printing from the left end. In this case, we are printing from the left end every star. But here it is not true. Here every print is done basically from the right end, but you cannot start from right and go left. Your cursor always go, again I'm telling you, in this direction, from left to right, top to bottom. So that means at the very beginning on the screen your cursor is blinking at the leftmost pixel. So that means if you want to print your star in the rightmost pixel, somehow you have to, actually you can say that you have to uh, place the cursor, I mean you have to skip the cursor some amount of times, so that at the end the cursor can, I mean, reach, and then you can start printing the star, right? Now how many times you have to skip, that means how many blank spaces you have to give, that again you see is not fixed. It depends over line, over row. In the first row 3 times, in the second row 2 times, in the third row first 1 times, and in the fourth row nothing. So that means if this type of situation happen in a pattern, you must be sure that obviously I have this is representing J and this is representing I, but other than these two I have one more thing I require. Why? The reason is that I have to somehow keep this blank space, and keep this blank space means actually I can say print blank space. Since blank space is not visible, that's why it remain unseen. But you can say that in a first row I have 3 blank space print, then a star print. In the second row I have 2 blank space print and a 2 star print. In the third row I have 1 blank space print, then 3 star print, and I have in the fourth row I have no blank space print and all the star print. So basically this particular pattern contain, there is actually there is one more hidden pattern present in this part, that is pattern about the blank space, which is not going to print any character, but it is necessary to print the stars in this way. So that means when we have to write program for this type of pattern, you see I has came for row. I mean, let's write it elaborately. I have three things to do this. For example, one is row, that we know, that is I. One is column, that is J. But another thing here we have to do, that is the blank space, that is K. So for row number 1, I have only one star, that is J equal to 1, and number of blank space represented by K is equal to 3. For 2, second row, the number of star is 2, but the blank space is 2. For third row, number of star is equal to 3 and blank space equal to 1. And for the fourth row, number of star is 4 and blank space equal to 0. Now you see, again I am telling you that all of the above we have the for loop of row, right? Because I will enter in a row, then I will do this something, and I will go in the second row, I will do something, I will go to the third row, do something. That means row, to do something I have to enter in a row. So row must be on the above of everything. So that means when you will write a program, you must have the for loop for row, that is I, on the top, started from 1, say I less than equal to n, if I consider n equal to 4 in this particular case, and then I equal to, I plus plus, actually I equal to means I plus plus. Now within this you see this blank space is, and the column is not related with each other. What is related? K must be some function of I and J must be some function of I, and they are individually related, right? On the I, J and K is not related with each other. That means how I can represent, individually you have to think about I versus J and then I versus K. So what I will think, J equal to I, simply we have seen, right? And what is K you can write? We can write, you see, we can write here it is basically equal to 4 minus I, right? With respect to this scenario. If you see, I equal to 1, 4 minus 1, 3, I equal to 2, 4 minus 2, 2, I equal to 3, 4 minus 3 equal to 1, and I equal to 4 means 4 minus 4, 0. So by this equation I can represent I versus K, this table. So in general I can say that means 4 means number of row equal to 4, here number of row is considered n. So basically I can say n minus I. That means I need a for loop for K for the blank space, representing this blank space. This is one part of the pattern, and another part is this. So that means I need 3 loops. One loop for row, one for blank space, and one for the pattern, the actual pattern star. But all of the above I is there, right? Now within this I, since J and K are not related with each other, that means it's not something like J is the outer loop and K is the inner loop, or K is the outer loop, J is the inner loop. This is not possible happen. It's not going to happen because there is no relation between J and K. I will have individual loop for J and individual loop for K. Now question will come that who will come first, whether the loop of j k I will write first or the loop of j. To realize this, look this particular pattern. In a particular row, the pattern of blank space come first, then pattern of star come. In any particular row, right? That means that's why when you will try to write the corresponding code in a under a particular row I, you have to write the loop for blank space first, that is k, and I can write k equal to 1, k less than equal to n minus I, k plus plus. And here what I will do, I will print blank space. That means I will basically print nothing. I will print something like this. That's all. It represents there is a blank space. And then I will print j equal to 1, j less than equal to I, as we have seen over here, j plus plus. And over here basically I will print star, and then here after this loop obviously I need this particular, I'm getting some, I'm not getting space over here, so I will print slash n after this line over here, right, over here, and then your bracket ends. So I don't have any space, that's why I cannot write, but the structure is something like this. So what will happen over here, you see, so the thing you see, I have kept these two conditions individually in two different loops. One is this loop for blank space and another loop for the stars, and they are one by one they placed, and then they are in the under the loop of I, and I have this condition. So if you look on this and do a dry run, you will see that when I equal to 1, then this k will run how many times? I equal to 1, then k equal to 1 to n minus I, that means n is equal to 4, right? This is equal to 4, assume. So 4 minus I, that means 3, that means this k loop will run 3 times, and 3 times this will be printed. That means 3 blank space will be printed which will not be seen. Then this k loop will stop, then the j loop will start, and 1 lesser than equal to 1, I equal to 1 at that moment, so that means 1 star will be printed. Then printf slash n, so next cursor blinks over here, I will become 2, so when I is 2, k is started from 1 again, and then 1 less than equal to n minus I, n is what, 4, 4 minus 2, that means 2, that means 1 less than equal to, that means k less than equal to 2, so 1 to 2, that means 2 times, so 2 times this k loop will run, that means 2 times the blank space will be printed, and then the k loop will break and j will start, so j equal to 1 to I is 2, that means 1 to 2, that means 2 times the star will be printed, this is for sure. Then printf slash n, I mean obviously j loop will break, and printf slash n is something like this, and then what will happen, cursor is blinking here, I become 3, so now n minus I, that means n is 4, 4 minus 3 means 1, that means k started from 1, 1 lesser than equal to 1, that means only 1 times the loop will run, k loop will run, only once this blank space will be printed, and then the k loop will break and j will start, j equal to 1 to I is 3, that means 1 to 3, that means 3 times the star will be printed, and then the j loop will break and printf slash n, so your cursor blinks over here and I become 4, now k equal to 1, I mean it will come in a loop of k first, k equal to 1 and I n equal to 4, I equal to 4, 4 minus 4 is 0, That means k less than equal to 0. So k is already 1. 1 less than equal to 0 is false. That means at the very beginning it is false. So no blank space will be printed. That means, and j equal to 1 to 4. That means 4 stars will be printed. And this is, you see, the pattern we have seen. So if you have a pattern something like this, where you will see that your star has to be shifted towards right, somehow that means you have to introduce the concept of this blank space. And how many times you have to do the blank space, and what will be the for loop for blank space, especially the condition part, you may find from this type of equation that I have shown you. So if you use this approach, a very generic approach, I hope the programming for the various patterns where star is there, blank space is there, any combination of star and blank space is there, it will be very easy for you to write the code. Thank you.